Okay, here is demo number 3. This time we are deployed to DevNet to get a little more realistic sense of transaction times. And we're also going to use a Phantom wallet on the mobile device instead of the bokoup mobile app. So first thing again, we'll come in and just create a token, see how fast that happens. We've already got one in there. Same thing, we just hit the plus button there, select another image. We'll call this 1.3 just for fun. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do a create on that, see how long it takes to come in going over DevNet. Takes a little bit longer. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer, but that comes in. The transaction times we'll see here are actually a little closer to the local net setup. So again, our next step is to come in and actually get a token. If I'm doing this on this, and this QR code could be, I guess also by way of reference, this is obviously the merchant facing device here. This is the customer facing device. And then this that would be present in a store. And then this is the phone, obviously, that the customer would be using at the point of sale. This QR code, again, could be any place in the store, printed out, point of sale, wherever the merchant wants potential customers or current customers to collect them. So to collect one of these, we'll use the Phantom app's scan capability. It recognizes that as a Solana Pay URL. We just go ahead and hit approve. And then we can see here that we've already updated on our app that we've issued one of those. It's taken a little bit longer to actually go through here. Let's see if it's actually made its way in. Has not yet. Huh, wow, that's really taking quite some time to make its way. Well, there we go. I think, I'm not sure what URL or backend or RPC backend Phantom using. It seems like it's actually taking a bit on the Phantom device here to update the tokens in particular. But nonetheless, we just completed getting a token with the Phantom app. Now for the next step, we'll go shopping and we'll go over to our point of sale. We'll buy more than $1 worth of stuff. Our promo here, we can see in our Phantom wallet, is to get 10% off if we spend more than $1. So we're good on that. We've spent $1.68. Now we'll go ahead and pay. We say yes, we're on bokoup. The scanner starts up, as we can see, and then kind of the hack on this is to just hit the deposit. We'll say Solana, brings up the QR code, and then we can scan that on the device. And then it sees I was playing around with it earlier, so we had 2 tokens in there. We'll go ahead and select this one, the one that we want to get. Brings up the QR code. We go back to our scan button in here, our scan tool. Wow, that was amazing. It picked that up from that far away. And then we'll go ahead and approve. And then we can see here that it's listed on the back end, just like it did with the bokoup app. And a little hard to tell because it's far away, but it says that it's had the promo applied for a 17-cent discount. And then we would go ahead and pay as if we were going to normally pay. We'll go ahead and scan our card through here. Credit. And done. Now it's verifying. Say accept, verify. We'll go no receipt. No, we want no receipt. Now we're no receipt and we're done. And then this says that our transaction was already sent, and I should be able to go back to our promo here and see that it disappears. But I think this, for some reason, in the Phantom app is not updating as quickly as it might. If we went back over to our promos over here, we would see already that it's been updated here. We had one issued, we had one issued and we had one redeemed. This will eventually, there it is, it finally updated. So it must be on like a 5 or 10-second update or something like that. But pretty cool. Transactions are pretty fast, seems like fast enough for a decent point of sale experience, and also totally cool that that's set up to be able to work with more or less any mobile wallet that adheres to the Solana Pay standard.